Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. That's Praveen Nair and I'm Maahek Nair, and today we're going to be doing a healthy detox juice for you called as a green lemonade.
Alright, to get such kind of amazing recipes, workout plan and a complete transformation plan, all you have to do is that subscribe and hit that bell icon that you always get to know about our videos. Let's go.
Let's go. 1 whole green apple, that's 200 grams. 1 cup mint leaf, that's approximately 5 to 10 grams. 1 lemon peel, that's approximately around 25 to 30 grams. A pinch of ginger peeled. Stevia as a source of sweetener. 200 grams of carbonated water. First I'm taking 1 whole apple, a green apple. Then I'm adding to it mint leaves. Next I'm adding to it 1 whole lime. And lastly a pinch of ginger. And our green lemonade is ready. There we go. Now lastly I'm going to add carbonated water. That's about 200 grams. Lastly I'm going to add 1 small teaspoon of stevia as a source of sweetener and load it up with some ice. The healthy, refreshing green lemonade is ready. Reasons why you should have this: because it's a summer season, it's really hot, please keep yourself hydrated. It is loaded with vitamin C, it improves digestion, so many reasons.
So much of things, guys. All you have to do is that go out there, enjoy the recipe and keep yourself ready. Enjoy the other videos on the BodyProCoach channel, and please subscribe, hit that bell icon and do share the channel with your friends and family. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.
Thank you.